Biochar, properties and benefits. Soil health enhancement. Improve soil structure. Biochar has a porous structure that increases soil aeration and water retention. pH regulation. Biochar can help balance soil pH, particularly in acidic soils, improving nutrient availability. Microbial habitat. The porous nature of biochar provides a habitat for beneficial soil microorganisms, promoting a healthy rhizosphere. Nutrient management. Nutrient retention. Biochar absorbs nutrients and reduces leaching, keeping them available to plants over longer periods. Fertilizer. Efficiency. It enhances the effectiveness of fertilizers by holding nutrients in the root zone. Crop yield and plant health. Yield increases. Numerous studies report significant yield improvements across a range of crops when biochar is applied appropriately. Stress tolerance. Biochar-treated plants often show improved resistance to drought, heavy metals, and salinity. Carbon sequestration and environmental benefits. Long-term carbon storage. Biochar is a stable form of carbon that remains in the soil for hundreds to thousands of years. Reduction of greenhouse gases. Its use can reduce nitrous oxide emissions and improve nitrogen use efficiency. Waste valorization. Biochar production utilizes agricultural residues and organic waste, diverting biomass from landfills and open burning.